Was the video going? Yeah. Okay, so I finally got that damn starter off. Oh boy. Oh, just do yourself a favor. Don't do it from the top. Just go right inside. Take the tire off. Use a jack stand. And finally got that joker off. Well, my video person is here now. Yeah, do it from here. Don't even bother with that top crap. Hell, it's even easier to get all the nuts off and everything from the bottom. Here, don't touch this. Hold it here and here. Here and here. Put one hand here. There you go, and one hand there.
And one hand here?
And just hold it.
What are you
Don't touch nothing. Right over here where I'm putting the thing in.
Wait, I gotta get my hand.
Okay,
right.
go ahead. Oh yeah. Yeah. There you go. The window gonna love you. Oh, this is my little helper.
Are you talking to Wendell?
I'm talking to you.
No.
Window ain't here.
Wendell, where the hell are you at?
Window see the video though. Oh God. Oh, can I get it back in here? I got it out. So I lost my 15mm socket and the nut for the top. But thank God this actually has oh God, don't fall. Has a stud on top where you can actually put the starter on. It was kind of a pain in the butt to get to that top one. Your best bet right there. A 1 inch, a 3 inch, and a 15mm deep. Gives you perfect. Let's see if I can get this darn thing naked on here. Then turn around. I'm beat to death. Oh, all right, wait a minute. Oh, I gotta get up. Just back up. Down in the hole. What did you know? Oh my God. Oh, it's supposed to be. Nope. Oh, I can't tell. This is a road now. Down the road. Okay, so. Oh, I got it. I got it. Oh, that was too easy. Oh God. Okay, so what now? So. So the bottom bolt is up there.
Oh.
I get it. Oh crap. Oh. Bottom bolt.
I don't think it's worth this.
Yeah, you gotta help. You hear that, Wendell? She's quick throwing me out here, though. You can sit down.
God.
I'm gonna put this one in first, because that'll hold the starter in place. Yeah, there we go. Oh, what the heck? Where's the hole? There it is. There we go. Oh, yeah. There it is. Oh. It's a hole there. Why won't it start? There we go. Ah. It just fell off. It just fell off the top. Damn. Oh. Where's this bolt? Yes. Son of a beeswax. Because I got it glowing. There we go. Nope. It ain't gonna start. Let's see.
I'm tired of
Well, as far as we got, we're there. But yeah, I can see better. I'm trying to do this in the blind. Bye.